In this question, position vector of 4 points P, Q, R and S are given. A is equal to this vector, B is equal to this vector, C is equal to this vector and D is equal to this vector. But we know that position vector of any point P with respect to origin will be vector OP. That means vector OP is equal to vector A, vector OQ is equal to vector B, vector OR is equal to vector C and vector OS is equal to vector D. Now we will find vector PQ. Vector PQ means this vector PQ. Vector PQ will be vector OQ minus vector OP. Vector OQ minus vector OP means vector B minus vector A. That is equal to this vector minus this vector 3i minus I, 2i, 6j minus 2j, 4j, 3k minus 5k, 8k. Similarly, we find vector PR. Then we find vector PS. In option A statement is given. We have to check whether this statement is correct or not. In option A, it is said that points PQRS are not coplanar. Not coplanar. This is formula. If 3 vector UVW in terms of IJK be like this, then these 3 vectors will be coplanar if value of this determinant is equal to 0 and in this determinant first row is coefficient of IJK in vector U. In second row V1, V2, V3 are coefficient of IJK in V. And in third row W1, W2, W3 are coefficient of IJK in vector W. Since PQ, PR, PR and PS are these vectors, we find the value of this determinant. 2, 4, 8 in the first row, 12 by 5, 6 by 5, 12 in the second row and 1 minus 1, 6 in the third row. We expand this determinant along first row and find that value of this determinant is 0. That means these 3 vectors PQ, PR and PS will be coplanar. PQ, PR and PS will be coplanar. Because value of this determinant is equal to 0. This is formula. If 3 vector AB, AC and AD be coplanar and these 3 vector AB, AC, AD are such that initial point of all the vector are same point A. In this case, if these 3 vectors are coplanar, then points A, points B, points C, point D will also be coplanar. Since vector PQ, vector PR, vector PS are coplanar, and initial point of all these three vectors RP is P. Therefore, these 4 points PQRS will also be coplanar. But in the option, a statement says that these 4 points are not coplanar. That means this option is not correct. Now we will check option B. To check option B, we have to find position vector of a point on line segment PR that divide PR internally in the ratio of 5:4. To find position vector of this point, suppose this point is L, then to find position vector of this point L, vector OL, we will use this section formula. If U and V be position vector of 2 points A and B, and C be a point on AB dividing line segment AB internally in the ratio of m:n, then position vector of this point C, vector OC, is equal to m times vector V plus n times vector U by m plus n. By using this section formula, vector OL will be 5 times vector C plus 4 times vector A by 5 plus 4. This becomes equal to this. Now we find vector B plus vector 2D by 3. We write B from here and D from here. Then we get this vector. Since this vector and this vector are equal, that means vector OL is equal to B plus 2D by 3. Therefore, this option is correct. If L lies on the line segment PR such that PL by LR is equal to 5/4, then we say that L divide PR internally in the ratio of 5:4. But if any point M does not lie on the line segment PR but lies on the straight line, whose part is the line segment PR in such a position that PM by MR is equal to 5/4, then we say that M divide line segment PR remaining outside this PR, that means externally in the ratio of 5:4. It is very clear that L point and M point will be two different points, two distinct points, and in a space, position vector of different points are different with respect to origin. Since these 2 points are distinct, therefore position vector of L cannot be equal to position vector of M. Since in option B we already have found that vector OL is equal to this, that means position vector of point L is equal to this. Therefore, this cannot be position vector of point M. Therefore, this option is not correct. Now we will check option D. Since B is equal to this vector, D is equal to this vector, we want to find B cross D. To find B cross D, we will use this formula. If U and V be two vectors in terms of ijk, then U cross V is given by this determinant, in which in first row we write ijk, in second row we write coefficient of ijk in U, and in third row we write coefficient of ijk in vector V. By using this formula, B cross D is equal to ijk 3, 6, 3, 2, 1, 1. After expanding this determinant along first row, we get B cross D is equal to this vector 3i plus 3j minus 9k. If W be a vector given in terms of ijk, then mod of vector W square of mod of vector W will be equal to W1 square plus W2 square plus W3 square. Since B cross D is equal to this vector, therefore a square of mod of this vector will be equal to 3 square plus 3 square plus minus 9 square. This is equal to 99, which is not equal to 95. Therefore, this option is incorrect.